Hi, I'm Jennifer here with Olean Dental Studio, and today we're going to be answering some questions about dental financing and how to cover cost for dental expenses. First question that we have is if I need a dental procedure taken care of and I need money to help pay with that, are dental financing options available? The answer to that question is yes. We work with several different companies that help with financing, and we can walk you through all of those and what the options are. So that's a great question, and it's a tough one. So we do have you pay for any dental treatment up front. If you do have dental insurance, then we work with your dental insurance to send claims, send all of the information that they need. We do all of the legwork, and then the insurance company reimburses you. But you pay for it up front with either cash, check, credit card, financing, however you choose to do that. And then we help you get the most back from your insurance company. Here at Olean Dental Studio, we do have a lot of dental financing options, as I mentioned before. Our most common financing companies that we work with here at Olean Dental Studio is Cherry Financing. We work with CareCredit, which a lot of people are already familiar with. We work with iCreditWorks, we work with Proceed, and we work with a company called HFD. And HFD is great because they work with, if you don't have great credit, you still have the option for dental financing. A lot of them have really great interest-free financing, and we work with you to see which one is going to be the best fit for you and for your budget. Most dental financing, ultimately, to do the final application, is going to do a credit check. However, there are several that offer a pre-approval, and that doesn't do a hard credit check for you. It just does a pre-approval, and then if it's something that looks like it would work for you, then we would complete the application and get you set up. Dental insurance does not cover the cost of all of your dental procedures. So if you do have dental insurance, I like to look at it like a dental coupon. So it's going to give you some money for treatment, but it's not going to give you 100% of the cost. So it's just something to think about, when you are working with your dental insurance. You will get some form of reimbursement, but it will not be 100%. So we do have the option, if you're interested in your insurance and what it covers, we do have the option to send out a predetermination to your insurance company. And when we send that, we provide information, and then they make a decision or a determination whether or not they're going to cover that service or not. I will let you know that when we do that, it does take 30 to 45 days to get those returned. So if you are interested in doing something immediately, you do have to wait a little bit if we predetermine it for you. We have a really great insurance department, and they reach out and do all of the legwork, find out all the information that we need from your insurance company, and then we help you get the best or the maximum reimbursement from your insurance. So if you're interested with how you can get started with dental financing to cover your treatment, then here at Olean Dental Studio, if you make an appointment with us, you'll come in for your visit, and then a treatment coordinator will be available to go over you with all of your options and find something that works best for you.